Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to invite friends in Hamster Kombat. So firstly, open up Hamster Kombat. So you can just launch it through your Telegram. So if you search for it in Telegram, you can simply launch this. So once you're done here on your Hamster Kombat, so if you want to invite friends, you're going to hit on this friends tab here. So if you hit on this friends tab here, you will see an option called invite friends. So all you have to do is simply click on invite friends, and this will let you forward your invite to all your contacts on Telegram. So any contacts on Telegram, it will let you. So you can just choose one. Okay, so you can just choose any contact here. So for example here, so if you just choose that, and then what happens here, it will open up this message here. So if you can simply send this, hit on send, and then send this invite to your friends. So all I have to do is they just have to open this invite and then hit on the link to join. And apart from that, you can also highlight this link here. So you can just take this link and then copy this highlight and copy this link here. All right, so this link here, copy this link and then just copy it, and then you can now paste it or share it on any social media outside Telegram, on any of your social media or messages, text message, or in any medium. You can just send it to anyone you want. And if once, all they have to do is just click on that link to get the invite, and that's pretty much it. It's just pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.